Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and in this video I just going to show how to unmerge the cell if you merge some cells, and how to unmerge the cells on your table in Google Docs Mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unmerge the cell in table in Google Docs Mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to open a table. So I already have created a table here. Clicking on this edit option to edit this table, so you can see I just going to change the print layout. You can see there is a two cell has been merged, so I just need to unmerge the cell. So it's simple actually. Just click on this table first and just select it. Now you just want to select the cell that you already merged. Now after selecting the cell, you will see an option pop up here called unmerge the cell. Click on the unmerge cell to unmerge the cell. Same option for this. Just clicking on the cell which select the cell totally, and you will see this option to unmerge the cell. Click this which actually unmerge the cell. So this is how you just unmerge the cell on your Google Docs Mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.